Alright, well, if you all have been watching my videos lately, then you know what these two switches do. And this time, we're going to be focusing right on the dual install of the Meridians. So, as with the last video that I did with the all the fans in my house, I showed off that I have the two Meridians with the dual install here. One above a dining room table, the other in the living room with the year-round Christmas tree, of course. And let's turn them on with those two switches that you all saw just a few moments ago. Oh, I don't have the light on. Great. Hey, you were just working. You were just working. There we go. Being finicky. Alright. So, there they go with the factory low. There's number 1. Or number 2. Or if you want to call this number 1. Number 2 over there. Which, that's what I usually do. So, yep, there are the green Meridians. I think I can turn the light off now, since we've seen them. The light on. For you. And one for you. So. So, there they go. Both on low. They're factory low, which is actually like a medium low for Gulf Coast fans. So, go to medium. Medium for both. Hey, it can't be my video without me stumbling into something. So, there they go on medium. So, medium's a good speed. Quite fast, but still not high. And we'll go to high in just a moment. High. And high. And here goes the ultimate shakers. Everybody do the shakes. They wobble because either warped blades, bent irons slightly, or just glossy blades. So all of that equals mostly wobbly fan. Yeah, it's gonna be fun trying to balance these even more. Kind of dark, but oh well. Let's shut them down right now. Which one's gonna stop first? Who knows? I know. But number 2 or number 1? So that's just with the lights on. No motors. So if you said fan number 2 over here, you are winner of guessing that fan. So congratulations. You get a green sticker from me, I guess. This one's still well going, and that one has just come to a stop. Shut you down. As this one takes its sweet time to coast to a stop. I'm pretty sure these fans are dated of October 1998. So, yeah, they're about 25 years old. This fan is still on the market from Dan's Fan City, but not in this color combination anymore. So, I think I'll put them back to low. Take them back to low. And that should be the video there. So, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for other fan videos. Sign you out with both of them.